Seagulls are common birds often seen near the coast. They have white feathers and gray wings, and they are known for their loud calls. Seagulls are clever and can adapt to different environments. They eat a variety of food, including fish, insects, and even human leftovers. Seagulls are social animals and often gather in large groups. They build their nests on cliffs or rooftops, and both parents help care for the young. While seagulls are interesting and play a role in their ecosystems, they can sometimes be a nuisance, especially around beaches and piers.